Episode 2, God's Gift of Movement. Why daily walking heals. Many people think walking is too simple to matter, but science says otherwise. A 20-minute walk a day may be one of the most powerful medicines God has ever gifted to humanity. Not only is it accessible, but it's also transformative. A major study published in JAMA Internal Medicine found that older adults who walked 150 minutes per week, just over 20 minutes per day, reduced their risk of mobility-related disability by 28%. That's a nearly one-third reduction in the likelihood of needing assistance to get around. Walking improves circulation, strengthens joints, boosts mood, enhances brain function, and sharpens balance. A 2019 study in Frontiers in Aging Neuroscience revealed that consistent walking helps reverse age-related changes in the brain, improving memory and spatial awareness. What makes walking even more powerful is its role in spiritual renewal. Genesis 5:24 tells us, "And Enoch walked with God." Walking isn't just exercise, it's worship. It's prayer in motion. It's communion with the Creator. Every step can be a declaration of faith and a commitment to health. So how do you begin? First, aim to walk for 20-30 minutes every day. It doesn't have to be all at once. You can walk in short bursts throughout the day, around the block, through your garden, or inside your home. Use a timer or a favorite worship playlist to guide your time. To maximize benefits, walk at a brisk pace that still allows for conversation. Over time, add balance challenges. Walk heel to toe, try uneven surfaces like grass or sand, or practice turning while walking to simulate real-life movements. These small tweaks build coordination and resilience. Spiritually, walking becomes a discipline of gratitude. Use it as a time to pray, meditate on scripture, or simply enjoy God's creation. A 2021 study in Psychology of Religion and Spirituality found that walking in nature while reflecting on spiritual texts significantly reduced stress and improved emotional well-being in older adults. Make it social too. Invite a friend, spouse, or church member to walk with you. Fellowship adds joy and accountability. Ecclesiastes 4:9-10 reminds us, "Two are better than one. For if they fall, one will lift up his fellow." Finally, make it sustainable. Invest in comfortable shoes. Choose routes that bring you peace. Walk in the morning for mental clarity or in the evening for relaxation. Walking isn't a chore, it's a lifestyle. In conclusion, daily walking is one of God's simplest yet most profound gifts. It renews your strength, guards your independence, and refreshes your soul. Don't underestimate its power. Walk with purpose, and let every step honor the one who gave you life. Action steps. Walk daily for 20 to 30 minutes. Add balance exercises to your route. Use your walk as prayer and reflection time. Invite others for fellowship and motivation.